Hey, this is Scott from D10. We are at InfoComm 2026, and we're here to announce our latest D7. It's our 4th generation D7X AI board. Here we have our 75-inch AI board with our brand new AI at the edge feature set. These are things that you can do now to deploy AI in your room environment, to access better cloud performance, but there's a lot of things we're doing with the technology, with the compute here in the room. So you can see our new camera module includes 2 3D depth sensing cameras, which are going to give you a full view of the room like a heat map. You can see what's closer to the board, where your back wall's located, what type of reflections it can expect, and that's what our AI is using to process along with the actual video. So the 48 megapixel camera is going to give you an incredible composite or gallery view of everyone in the room. It's able to identify a real person versus a 2D object. So no reflections of people walking by, photos on the wall, posters, those things are not going to be picked up by our cameras. They're going to be rejected by the AI, so you have a much cleaner meeting experience in the room and also from the far side. That's going to include things like our open space video boundaries, so you're able to use gestures in the room to set the boundaries real time, and then it'll start to calculate if those people should be in the shot or not. And then all this technology will go into speaker tracking, face brightness, a lot of the different automation. So this technology is available now on the D7X AI board, and to complete your room solution, we have our View Pro cameras, bringing 5 cameras into the room to really help that gallery view with 0 distortion, optimal resolution, and then also our relay speakers for distributed audio. So we have amazing DSP and audio video processing in our new Intel Ultra PC AI board, available now. Find out more at D10.com.